My name's Banya, and along with Evan and some of the other guest tutors, we've been facilitating a 12-week course, a day a week, which is designed as a hands-on traineeship in agroecology, where we're sharing hands-on experiences in the living classroom we've got here at the farm. Working with 15 students for the last 12 weeks from various different backgrounds, some of which are currently landholders that are looking at ways to increase their productivity and diversity and build the integrity of their ecology on their farms. And a number of other people who are kind of entry level, coming into learning about farming, and we've thrown them straight in the deep end. And it's been an amazing group dynamic growing to learn together and to work together every day. So a big focus of our production here and the 2 acres we're working with, we're a couple of years established with an agroforestry system where we're evolving a conventional annual market garden system into an integrated polyculture.
Hi, my name's Kevin Glencross. I'm a researcher. I'm interested in the sort of systems that we're looking at here today. So this system here is a really interesting one. One of the things we're really looking to develop are these multiple strata. So what I'm doing here, we've got some young eucalypts planted with bananas, and we've got things like coriander and eggplant. So we've got a whole range of plants you wouldn't normally find growing together. But the idea with the eucalypts, generally eucalypts and veggie gardens are seen as sort of the antithesis of each other. But the eucalypts here are doing the job of creating a bit of microclimate initially. So just really, it's been a hot, dry season. A lot of these trees that actually have a bit of protection are doing better than plants out in the open.
The big thing is we're just committed to the doing and really trying to engage more people, really wanting to do it also, and empowering those people as much as we can. That's the big thing. It's just that learning, getting in with plants, doing that learning, and actually knowing that what I'm teaching is and what that I can actually empower people then with real sound advice and not just stuff that I read. 2020 we'll be running a few 12-week courses again. But yeah, landholders, students, anyone wanting to really deepen their experience and really ground any of their theory in the real practical doing of the process, because it's all process based. Yeah, anyone who just wants to hit the ground and get stuck into it, really, I guess that's the key people we're looking for. But yeah, so we can then learn from them in the long run too.